In this video, I will show you the easiest way to list your property on Airbnb. Now first, you can click on the link down in the description, which will take you to this page right here. From here you can see you're invited to earn money as an Airbnb host, and you have this calculator where you can enter the location of your Airbnb, the amount of guests that can stay there, and if it's an entire home, private room or a shared room, and then you can see how much you can earn. So from there you can then click on get started, and then it will say welcome to Airbnb. Now if you already have an account you can just sign in, and I'll just continue with Google for this example. So after doing that you will see this. So there are 3 steps. First, tell them about your place, then make it stand out, and finish up and publish. Just click get started, and then step 1 is to again tell them about your place. For example, where is it, how many people can stay there, etc. Now first, which of these best describes your place? I'll go with a house. Then click next. Then we'll ask what type of place will guests have. And from here go and enter your address. Then click next. And then share some basics about your place, such as how many guests can stay there, how many bedrooms, etc. Then you will get to step 2, where you will add some photos. So if you click next, you can first choose which amenities your place has to offer, such as Wi-Fi, a washer, TV, etc. Just enter anything right here that applies to your property. Then add some photos of your house, so just click add photos and go and upload them. Then after doing that, click next. And now let's give your house a title. So it can be up to 32 characters, so just give it a title. For example, 2-bedroom apartment in Rotterdam, and then click next. Next, describe your house and create a description. And now the final step is to finish up and publish, so just click next. Now here you can pick your booking settings, so approve the first 5 bookings manually or use Instant Book. Then choose who is welcome for your first reservation, so any Airbnb guest or someone with experience. Now set a weekday base price, so how much do you want the price to be, and this is for weekdays, and next you will do for weekends. And then click next. Now from here you can add some discounts, so you can choose whichever one of these you want to add, and then click next. Now one last step, does your place have any of these? So exterior security camera. So just choose whichever one and then click next. And now review your listing and then again click next. And then you will see congratulations, now click let's get started. And now they will review your property, and you can go to listings right here. And once it's reviewed, then people can start booking. So that's how to list your property on Airbnb. Now again, if you want to get started and have this calculator as well, you can go through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.